Okay, y'all, I didn't come in early this morning. I'm actually on my route, as y'all can see. Let me take this off. But the days is winding down. I can't believe that I have did Vlogtober for not every day of the month, but just about every day in October. I can't believe it. And of course, this look crooked. Sorry, y'all. Is it crooked? Now it's crooked. Something is off. I don't know what it is, but something is off with that. That kind of look better. But yeah, like I was saying, I can't believe that I vlogged just about the whole month of October. 2019, I set a lot of goals for myself, and I did not I have not accomplished too many of them. But one goal that I did, or I'm trying my best to accomplish, is the 150, I think it's 155 or 156 videos for the whole entire year of 2019. I don't know if I'm gonna do it, but I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. And I got a feeling I might have to vlog next month. I know I'm gonna do vlog Christmas. And I think I'll be very, very close to my goal. So I'm keep pushing, y'all. I'm still pushing. I'm still pushing. Also, those shoes that I had in the other vlog, I'm actually going to return those. I already put in a request to get a refund because the shoes is too big. I think I'm just going to skip out on that particular shoe, and I'm going to go for either the shoe on November 7th as well as the shoe that's on November 22nd. I'm sorry. Those two shoes I really, really, really want, way more than I wanted the ones that I got. So I got to do that when I get off work. Yeah, I've been trying to finish that Longchamp video. I did some little footages of it earlier today. So that video should be out. That video should be out sometime in November. Let me move y'all over here so I can sit down and talk to y'all. Move y'all right here. So I can sit down and talk. Yeah, it's so cold today, y'all. Oh my gosh. It's cold, it's raining. Well, it was raining, it stopped, but I got a feeling it's gonna start back up. Like right now, I'm just waiting on the kids to come out. Yeah, some of the other drivers went inside the school. I'm not going in there. I got my coffee, my iced coffee. I'm gonna take a couple of sips of that. Yeah. About that, I think it's the international iced coffee. I don't like that. It tastes like chocolate milk, and I'm not a fan of chocolate milk. If I'm gonna drink coffee, I want it to taste like coffee and cream or something. But just chocolate milk, I don't like that at all. At all. Man, I'm not really satisfied with the way my Longchamp video is going. It's a footage that I wanted to use and I couldn't use it, but I'm gonna go ahead and edit it some kind of way where it kind of look right. Yeah, as y'all see, I got these hoods on my head because I'm cold. In my hair, still rocking a ponytail. I washed my wig last night, but I most definitely have to flat iron it, and that's what I was going to do today when I got home. But instead, I edited some videos because I really got to get these videos cranking and pumping, and I got a plan. I got to do a lot of things. I'm hoping. I really, I said this, some of my goals. One of my goals was I want to get a backdrop and I want to get a new camera. As y'all know, right now I'm recording on the GoPro Session 5, which is a good camera. I mean, it's cool because it's small. It's just like a little cube, a little small cube. Yeah, I really want to get a better camera. I really want to get the Canon G7. I want a camera where the screen kind of pops up in front. I want to get one of those. And I also really want a backdrop. It's just time for me to just level up when it comes to my YouTube channel. You know, when it comes to the lighting, iMovies is cool, but I really want to get that Final Cut Pro, and it's expensive. It's like $300, but I want to get that. Like I said, the backdrop, the new camera. I need to get my lighting situated, and I also need to get like a permanent spot where I'm recording that. So yeah, I really need to do those things. But yeah, those are some things that I want for my YouTube channel. You know, I gotta really start looking into making it look, you know, better, professional. You know, I said that I was gonna take some photography classes, and I just want to take some classes on my own because I love photography, you know, and this is just a part of, you know, photography and just knowing different things when it comes to taking pictures and videos, and it kind of all go together. But yeah, I really want to do that, and that was, like I said, that was one of my goals, and I haven't did that. Yeah, I just really need to push my channel big time, you know, for as the look, for as the ideas, for as the equipment, everything. I really need to level up when it comes to my channel, you know. I got to. November 9th, Sam's is having a one-day sale, and they actually got some really nice stuff. I think that's the day I'm gonna get a new phone. I'm gonna try to get a new phone on that day. Hopefully I can get the color I want. I'm either going for the space gray, the color I always get. I don't know if they got like just a straight black. If they got a straight black, I'm most definitely gonna get that one. Or I'll do the gold. No other colors. Gold, black, or the space gray. So yeah, I'ma do that. And I got a couple of things that I wouldn't mind getting. You know, Christmas is coming up, and it's time for everybody to start getting these doggone Christmas gifts. So I'm getting ready to get out of here, or I might come back when I get off my route, when I get done working. You know, I just want y'all to remember, make sure you subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave comments at the bottom. Also, make sure you watch my video, the entire video. It really helps my channel when you subscribe, for sure. When you click the thumbs up, and when you also leave a comment, it really helps my channel. Like I always say, welcome to my new subscribers. What's up to my OG subscribers? Thank y'all for coming back to my channel and always supporting me and watching my videos. I really appreciate it, because like I always say, I know I keep saying it, but like I always say, y'all could be doing something different, but y'all choose to check in on me, watch my videos, look at little bits and pieces of my life. I really appreciate it, because I know, you know, I don't be talking about nothing. I ain't on nothing over here. As you see, I'm working and just talking. But yeah, check me out, y'all. Just check out some of my other videos. Hit the little icon at the top. It'll take you straight to those videos, or you can hit the end clips at the end of the video. It'll take you to that video or those videos. yeah, check out my channel. Thanks for supporting me. I appreciate it. You know, I really do. Even though I know I say this every time, but I really do appreciate it. And it most definitely put a smile on my face when I see people giving me feedback, people commenting on my channel, and it's positive stuff, you know, because you best believe I do get the negative stuff. Y'all probably don't see it because I always delete it and block the person, but I do get that. I get a lot of old crazy stuff, you know. But for all these people who sticking with me, who riding with me, who been here from day one, even y'all new people who just came in and say, hey, you know, she seemed interesting, I'm gonna go ahead and click that button and I'm gonna subscribe just to see what's going on with her. I appreciate that, you know, because you don't have to do it. So yeah, thank y'all. The fact that y'all supporting me and my channel and this dream or hobby that I have to, you know, to be a YouTuber. You know, like I always say, it's hard. It is hard being a YouTuber and creating, you know. So thanks for being my ride or die, my OGs. All right, y'all, I'm gonna get out of here. All right, peace.